The burrito is awesome and is so good to eat. The burrito.
Hi Mexico! Today we have burrito. Stay tuned this.
Burrito.
Fry the mincemeat in a pan with a lot of butter. Stir it continuously until it's fried evenly. Its color changes completely after 5 minutes. Add the spices that include black pepper, chili flakes, garlic powder, cumin, and coriander seeds and fry. After that, add tomato paste, hot sauce, and salt. Stir all ingredients until smooth. Finally, add boiling water and let it cook for 15 minutes and thicken. Wash the rice well 2 or 3 times with water. Now pour into the pot and add water. The amount of water should be 1 knuckle higher than the surface of the rice. Now add paprika, salt, cumin, chili flakes, coriander seeds, and olive oil to it. Put the lid on and let it brew for 45 minutes with medium heat. For chutney, we need garlic, green chili pepper, lemon juice, cilantro, and olive oil. Mix all the ingredients well. If necessary, add a little water to mix more smoothly. Now add yogurt, salt, black pepper, and oregano, and that's it. Put in the refrigerator until hardened. Let's make salsa. Chop the tomatoes, red onion, chili pepper, and parsley like I did. Add lemon, olive oil, salt, and black pepper to them and mix well. This salsa has the ultimate taste. Pour the cooked rice into a deep bowl and mix with the corns and beans well. Now, calmly, we put all the ingredients that we made together into a bread and roll it. For a more crispy filling, toast it with butter or olive oil. This food is a combination of different senses. I hope you appreciate it and make sure to cook it. Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, it's just this burrito. It's so comforting, nice and warm.